In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom robots.txt in Blogger. If you want more control over how search engines crawl your blog, Blogger gives you the option to use a custom robots.txt file. This can be helpful if you want to guide search engine bots more precisely and make sure your sitemap is clearly included. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on safely. Start by opening your Blogger dashboard and selecting the blog you want to edit. If you manage more than one blog, just make sure you're working inside the correct one before changing anything. Since Robots.txt affects how search engines interact with your site, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're in the right place. Once you're inside the correct blog, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps the main configuration options for your site, including visibility, privacy, and search-related tools. After the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the section called Crawlers and Indexing. This is the area that controls how search engines discover and interpret your content. Look for the option labeled Enable Custom Robots.txt and turn that toggle on. As soon as the setting is enabled, you'll see a clickable option right below it called Custom Robots.txt. Click on that to open the editor. This is where you'll paste the text directives you want search engines to follow. Make sure the content you add is written exactly as intended, because even a small formatting mistake can affect how crawlers read the file. When you paste in your custom directives, be sure to include your sitemap URL as part of the text. That helps search engines find the structure of your blog more efficiently. If you already have a prepared robots.txt file, simply paste it into the editor. If not, take a moment to review the contents before saving so you don't accidentally block important pages. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your custom robots.txt is now enabled in Blogger. If you make changes later, you can always come back to the same section and update the file. Just remember to review any edits carefully because this file plays an important role in how your site appears to search engines. With that done, your Blogger site will have a more customized crawling setup and clearer indexing instructions.